Welcome to the Palisade floor plan at the Summit Collection by Taylor Morrison up at Verdin. So we showed you Tyndall, which I said was the ultimate family home, but this is ultimate family home number 2. Again, this is a amazing floor plan. I might be one of my favorites. I don't know. There's still a lot to see. But before we go in, if you're new and you haven't watched any of the other videos of the series, go back, watch them all. There are so many models you guys can walk through, find out valuable information. And again, you're gonna wanna like, subscribe, because we are a new construction home specialist. That means we bring you the insider information. We help you save time, money, and stress buying a new construction home. And if you wanna move to Verdin, I'm your guy. I will definitely help you out and make it an amazing experience. For now, let's get into the Palisade. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities, and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east, to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, I said it before, I was sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. Palisade, we're gonna start by what I think makes it so different. When you come in this way, I like to call this Kid Alley, right? This is a whole separate wing. So we have a little flex teen room, kid room here. The reason I think this is so good for families, again, all the kid stuff can be put away. And if you don't have kids, you just want the floor plan, this could be a really cool movie room, den, office. But down here, right, we have bedroom number 1. And then we're gonna have the bedroom or the bathroom for this wing with dual vanities. And then we have 2 more bedrooms back here, right? So the cool thing is there's 3 bedrooms back here, plus a den, plus a bathroom, which kind of keeps it separate from the rest of the house. And then this one, maybe your oldest kid has their own bathroom back here, right? Really cool, plus a walk-in closet. So I envision this floor plan being good for maybe a family of 2 or 3, maybe a kid that's going to college. So again, there's 2 bathrooms back here, there's 3 bedrooms, and then there is this little flex space. It's hard to beat if you have a family, right? Going in through here, we have the laundry room, big like the other ones, but with a surprise, but you gotta wait till the end to figure out what that is. We're gonna go this way, okay? We're gonna go back this way. Here is the very elegant office. If you work from home, you want an office. Really nice to have it up here at the front of the house. Very private, very classy. We come through here, and then your garage is gonna be there. And then I like the Palisade floor plan because it's kind of a big loop. The house feels very connected, but open. You've got a really cool bar set up here for cocktails, wine, coffee, whatever you prefer. And then your formal dining area for holidays, Christmas, or nice dinners. It's gonna bring you through here. Huge, I mean, I gotta walk in here. Huge walk-in pantry. This thing is giant. It's like bigger than a walk-in closet. And then you come back through here, really cool setup. It's gonna feel open, kind of like the Tyndall did, but a little different vibe, right? Different setup. And then obviously the islands, like everything else, another dining area. And then this will bring us over here to the other ensuite. So this is primary-ish bedroom, but it's not the primary, meaning it's got its own bathroom, walk-in closet. So again, great for extended families, lots of people. That other dining space here really comes in handy. Sliders going out to the backyard. And again, with the Summit collection, if you've been tuning in and watching over the Discovery, the Passage, the Summit's got the larger lots. bigger layouts for bigger families. And we come through here, which brings us to the primary. Tray ceilings like before. And I told you there was a surprise with the laundry room. What's really cool is our very grand master bath, the dual vanities, the freestanding tub, awesome shower. Of course, that bathroom there, but then the closet, not only is it huge, but here's the cool little secret. It goes straight into the laundry room. What's nice about that, whoever's doing the laundry at home will probably appreciate that. You can take your laundry from here, go right into your closet. And if you want to keep this separate from the rest of the house, obviously close it, lock it, block it off. But it's so nice, instead of having to walk all the way around from your laundry room to get to the primary closet, goes right through here, right? Again, awesome layout, a lot of customization here, really nice primary setup, having its own door out to the backyard. So if the Tyndall or the Palisade are for you, or you're interested in coming and seeing these in person, you already know what to do. Give me a call, email, text, or fill out the link below. You can schedule an appointment to come out here. We will take you through these homes, and we will show you how to have an amazing experience making Verdin your next home. And again, we have so many ways to help you. If you are buying a home, we have a rebate program where you can save up to $10,000, put the money back in your pocket when you buy. And if you have a home to sell, which is a lot of you out there, we can make that so much easier. Don't have to worry about those contingencies or tough things like that. We can do a guaranteed cash offer for your property. And if you want to list it on the public market, we can also do that for you, and we can get your home sold for 1%. It's a no-brainer. I would love to meet you. I would love to take you out here for a tour and figure out what collection is best fit for you, and show you how buying a new home in Verdin can be an amazing experience. So let's go schedule a time, take you out to tour these models, and make Verdin your next home. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe, because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.